group will present about formwork, installation, and preparation using our own creativity. First, let's talk about what is formwork. Formwork is the term used for the process of creating a temporary mold into which concrete is poured and formed. One of the purposes of formwork are it serves as mold for concrete structural components unless such mold is provided by the soil, other structural components, etc. It molds the placed fresh concrete, which in this stage normally is viscous, to the shape specified in the drawing.
The first one is the L ruler. This is the L ruler. And the second one is the measuring ruler. This is measuring ruler, right? So this is the way how to use this ruler. It is just like this.
First of all, the wood I'm going to use is a 1 inch by 4 inch timber. Before we can cut the wood, we must first measure the wood. So even though I have some electrical tools to cut the wood, but this is only a small wood, so I will only use a handsaw. So we start off by measuring here. We start cutting it. Okay.
Next is hammer. Hammer used for driving the nails into the woods and to remove the nails by using the claw hammer. Next is nail. Nails are most used to fasten pieces of wood together. It is easier by using a hammer.
Next, a raking bar is a heavy metal device with one end flattened, split to create a V for pulling nails from objects and curve. The other end is machined into chisel shape to be used for prying items apart again with the action of levering.